You sneezed onto my mouth. Thank you for that. Yeah. Anyway, we're going to try pears. We've been eating this and we love it. Sweet potato and peas. Now for the delicious pears that we haven't had before. Okay. Let's see what you think. Not sure about pears. We're going to try it again. Let's have another go. Yeah? Did you swallow it? Over here. Look. We're going to eat more. Yeah, there we go. I think we ate it that time. Yes, we did. Yes, we did. We ate it. Yeah, and we liked it too. Okay. Last bite for the TV. Oh. No, swallow that. Okay, say bye.